back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. You're watching HQ BMW. Today we're going to be working on stone. We're going to be saying goodbye to something on the car. If you've read the thumbnail, you might have a good idea already what's going on, but yeah, we'll get to stone, but we got a couple new things for stone. So I'm getting ready to do the air suspension install. I think I'm going to start with doing the trunk mock-up first, and we went and we got some aluminum hardline, 3/8 hardline. I went to Greg's distributor and picked up some pieces. We got some 3/8 inline fittings that we can go from hardline to the flexible line, and then I picked up these clamps, which are a T band clamp, and I think I'm going to change the mounting of the actual air tank in the trunk, but we'll see. I'm still in the design phase, and then I've made some custom brackets for the manifold. I got some brackets for the compressors, and possibly another one for the tank. I'm doing some collecting, and actually Daniel at F30_M3, I'll link his Instagram below and put it on the screen, but he sent me out this custom built, he built this all on his own, second wiring harness for running dual compressors. So he sent out an actual fusible link, all the connectors that I might need, a fuse, zip ties, and the whole wiring harness. Proper relay. It's all been heat shrunk. The quality of this is absolutely phenomenal. If I didn't know any better, I would think this come directly from Airlift Performance. So a massive shout out to Daniel for sending this out to me. I greatly appreciate it, and I think y'all should go give him a follow on Instagram, show him some love, and show his amazing F30 build some support. Why, oh why do I do this to myself? This is even more painful than trying to put them on. Before I show you the entire car, this is the last of it. So, let's get rid of this. 4 hours later, and boy do my fingers hurt. All clean. What do you guys think? Do you prefer stone with a bit of a livery, or do you like the clean look? I'm kind of partial. I'm a little bit undecided. I don't know what I prefer better, but that was painstaking on my fingers. It'll make me second guess ever doing that to a car again, because man, that was so painful and it sucked. I'm not gonna lie, but it's done. It's cleaned off and we got a blank canvas again. Not sure what we're gonna do, but this build process is starting right now. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed today's short little vlog. Just getting the whole stone build process underway. So please smash that like button if you enjoyed today's content. Drop a comment below. Let me know what you guys think. Livery, no livery. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Please like, comment, subscribe. Peace.